Research on the construction of mental health education system for higher vocational students, based on computer software analysis. From the current overall situation analysis, psychological service has played a positive role in improving students' comprehensive quality. However, due to the unbalanced distribution of resources, imperfect organizational structure, unscientific operation mechanism, and unclear process of specific matters, the whole psychological service system has some problems of sighting and disability. In order to change this reality, colleges and universities need to establish a sound organizational system, clarify the post responsibilities of all kinds of personnel at all levels, so that they can form a person responsible for their own responsibility. Smooth organization and leadership, implementation measures, feedback and correction functions, so as to make the mental health work of vocational college students develop smoothly. In this paper studies the mental health of vocational college students by using IP computer analysis software. Introduction. Our analysis on the current situation of mental health education for students in higher vocational colleges in China. Set. Construction of dynamic monitoring system of mental health of vocational college students based on computer software analysis. See the effect of positive psychology on the mental health of vocational college students. Countermeasures to improve the construction of mental health education system in higher vocational colleges. The training goal of positive psychological education. Key conclusion. To sum up, in order to construct the mental health service system in higher vocational colleges from the perspective of positive psychology, we should have a sufficient understanding of students' current psychological development from the perspective of psychology. Introduce the concept of positive psychology into health education. Unremittingly promote the general education of college students' mental health. Cultivate a peaceful and healthy mentality. Strengthen the psychological counseling work for higher vocational students. And strengthen humanistic care in combining theory with practice. This paper explores the reform measures of positive psychology education. Guides students to establish positive values. Complete citizens' objective self-cognition. Education. And builds the school into a stable, united, positive and upward learning paradise. And promotes the overall and healthy development of students in the era of big data technology development. If colleges and universities want to do the psychological crisis early warning work of college students in place, it is necessary to integrate the big data technology with the current psychological crisis early warning methods. Conduct data analysis in all aspects, so as to realize the dynamic monitoring of college students' daily behavior activities, and improve the timeliness of psychological crisis intervention on these bases. When carrying out a series of specific work, we should start from many aspects. Comprehensively solve the defect of traditional statistical methods, so as to truly do the psychological early warning work in place.